It's day 11. Let's feed my sourdough starter. So it grew a bit last night, and I honestly think that me emptying almost all of it and then giving it a good feeding actually made a difference. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to dump out like maybe to here and then feed, and let's see what happens tomorrow. It's smelling a lot less strong, and I think it's because of the feeding that I gave it, but it's still liquidy, which means that it's still hungry. So it's liquidy, but the fact that it's not smelling as strong, I'm assuming that it's actually working the way it's supposed to work. I still don't have a scale, and so I'm literally just estimating and going based on consistency more than anything else, and pretty much hoping for the best. So this is what I have left in here, and let's add the flour and water. I honestly have a really good feeling that we are so close, and maybe just 5 more days or so, and it should be ready to bake, maybe even less. Maybe after I get home and I can actually use a scale to get like some good measurements, it will be a lot better. Okay, so you can kind of see the line where I have the starter that's left, and that's where I have the flour. As I said, I'm just estimating everything. I'm just adding some water, and the consistency that I'm going for is like a really thick pancake or muffin batter. And so if it's too thick, like it seems to be right now, I'm just going to add some more water, and if it's too thin, I'll add a little bit more flour until I get the consistency that I want. Okay, so this is the consistency that I have right now. Still pretty thick, that it's not like falling off, but that's what I'm going for. Could it be a little thinner? Yes, but I do realize that it gives me a better rise when I do like a thick feeding like this, and I prefer to have more than too little, considering that I'm not using a scale. I'm just gonna clean up the sides. Okay, the sides are pretty clean, so I'm just gonna add my hair tie back on here so that I can know if it grows, and then I'm just going to loosely add my top, and that would be it for day 11's feeding. I'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Bye.